If your trash compactor won't start, here are the top 4 most probable causes. There may be a problem with the incoming power. You should check to see if a circuit breaker has tripped, a fuse has blown, or, if applicable, that the electrical outlet is providing proper voltage. When engaged, the start switch allows voltage to travel to the drive motor to start the trash compacting cycle. If the switch is faulty, it may prevent the compactor from starting. You can use a multimeter to test the switch for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the switch tests negative for continuity when activated, it will need to be replaced. When the trash compactor door is open, the door switch will prevent the unit from starting. A malfunctioning door switch may prevent the compactor from starting even when the door is closed. Again, you can use a multimeter to test the switch for continuity to determine if the component has failed. Although it's not a common problem, the drive motor itself could be defective. You should confirm the switches are all working properly before testing the motor to determine if it has failed. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your trash compactor.